Okay, gentlemen, it's about 36 degrees outside. I'm in my garage, and it's probably a little warmer in here than that. But as you can see, this is a CK20 with a, it's about a 2006 is when it was made. You see the key switch here. We have the off position accessory on mine really does nothing. And then the glow position will start it glowing. I'll try to get there it is, dashboard in the camera. So let me get my foot on the clutch before we have a failure here. Let's start. Okay, so throttle's back. That's what I like to do. Alright, we can see we got glow. All I'll do is I'll let the glow time out deal, and then I'll crank it, and turn it back to get the glow to come back on, if I can get it to do that. Here we go. Holding the glow on, glow off, glow back on. There's my smoke. Alright. Still got glow, let it off. You can hear the RPMs change. A little more glow. Alright. When she's hot, the glow doesn't seem to help at all. Alright. A little bit of throttle. We'll just let her warm up now. Alright, just let the clutch out. You can hear the engine having a little hard time getting the HST oil moving around. Alright. Hey guys. And some more, Dick. Take a little video for the guys on the internet. Haha. My kids. Alright. Alright, that's good.